Hey there! So, we have a problem where we need to work with a square cost matrix stored in a pandas data frame. The task at hand is to multiply all off-diagonal elements by a constant c, without using any for loops to keep things running smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive into the solution now. The first step is to create a Boolean mask using numpy.identity and apply it to update the underlying array in place. This nifty line of code does the trick. Cost underscore matrix .valueism.identity in equals len cost underscore matrix equals 0 asterisk equals c. This operation effectively multiplies all off-diagonal elements by the constant c. Now, with the values updated, we can see the desired output where the off-diagonal elements are multiplied by c. The resulting data frame now showcases the updated values based on our calculations. Quite a neat transformation, isn't it? Digging a bit deeper into the solution, we can observe the intermediate step where the Boolean mask is generated. This step gives us a clear view of how the elements are selected for the multiplication process. The Boolean mask helps in pinpointing the off-diagonal elements effectively. Another approach to achieving the same result involves storing the diagonal elements, multiplying all values by c, and then restoring the diagonal elements. This method ensures that the matrix retains its original diagonal elements while updating the off-diagonal ones accordingly. So, to sum it up, we explored an efficient way to multiply off-diagonal elements of a square cost matrix by a constant c, using pandas and numpy. The solution presented here showcases a clever approach to handle such operations seamlessly. And that's a wrap for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more interesting content in the future. See you next time.